So when we send you the pads, they will already have the Velcro onto the back of them. And how you can distinguish what is the top and what is the bottom, whether they're sides, we have a flap at the top and bottom. That's how you can orientate it. On the sides, they have a strip that's offset about 1 inch in. Those are how you can orientate it. So, what you can do, once you find the top, you can pull your Velcro off. Undo it. You have an adhesive backing to it. And you want to go right to this corner, right at the very edge where the T-molding and the leg meet. You want to put it right in that corner and press it down. You can, when you press it down, if you can come in right here and see, as I press it down, you can see that the wood almost colors it through. That's how you know it's getting a very good stick to it and adhesive to it. And you can just bring it on across, pull it tight, and come straight into this corner. Now grab the side, set this off to the side. All right, pull back the backing. And right here, this barrel bolt, they're all in the same location as far as off the leg. You want to go right on the inside of it. And you want to be touching this top one. And just kind of bring it straight down. That's your reference, is to try to be near this barrel bolt. And make sure that it has a good adhesion. Now grab the bottom. And you'll pull that back, and you want to go right up against the leg, and you want to meet it and butt it up right to that. All right. Now you're going to want to get this side down. That way you can intersect it. All right. So now pull the backing off this side. Reference your barrel bolts. Come right to the inside of it. And come on down the line. And now, you can pull your backing all the way off of the bottom. Pull it tight so you can come really close to the edge right there. And then smooth that out and make sure it gets good adhesion. Now you can stick the pad on, keep it lifted up, and then just put just a little bit of tension on it so you can keep the wrinkles out. And this should fall right down on top of it. And then you'll start right here in the middle and work your way out. That way you can get rid of all the wrinkles. Alrighty. And then just smooth down the sides, run your hand across the side just to make sure that it adheres to the sides. And you're done. You will repeat this same process on the footboard.